Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I, Jabin Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In today's session, we will see how ERP implementation in Cadbury Dairy Milk, and then we will study the case studies of success and failure of ERP implementation in this type of organization. So, first of all, we will see how what is ERP and what is its elements of ERP. So in earlier session we have already discussed about ERP. Still we will go through this topic again. Enterprise resource planning is a business management software, usually a suite of integrated applications that a company can use to store and manage data from every stage of business, including product planning, cost and development, manufacturing, marketing and sales, inventory management, shipping and payment. So these are some technique, you can say the steps which is involved to make the ERP successful, right? So what is the function of ERP? ERP provides an integrated real-time view of core business process using common databases maintained by a database management system. ERP system track business resources for cash, raw materials, production capacity, and the status of business communication commitments. So, order purchase, orders, and payroll. The application that make up the system share data across the various departments like manufacturing, purchasing, sales, accounting, etc. that enter the data. ERP facilitates information flow between all business functions and manage connection to outside stakeholders. So as you can see, this picture describe about success of Cadbury. So company background of Cadbury is a British multinational confectionery company owned by Mondelez International. It is the second largest confectionery brand in the world after Wrigley's. Founder Its founder is John Cadbury, and it is founded in 1824, Birmingham, United Kingdom. Currently, Cadbury India operates in four categories, which is chocolate, confectionery, milk, food, drinks, candy, and gum category. In the chocolate confectionery business, Cadbury has maintained its undisputed leadership over the years. So some key brands of the Cadbury is like your 5 star, Bournvita, Oreo, Dairy Milk. So how ERP is implemented in this company? So Cadbury turned out in recent years. Kraft implemented SAP ERP 6.0. That means system analysis and program development. The version of SAP ERP 6.0 is used in what SAP called one of its largest global ERP implementation. Kraft credited ERP with reducing operational cost. 11,000 employees were sending data to the company's SAP solution, and it was linked to 1750 applications by 2008. That same year, Kraft also added SAP's master data management solution NetWeaver with an eye towards integrating legacy system. So Cadbury was left with a glut of chocolate products at the start of the year. After the installation of the new SAP-based enterprise resource planning, system led to an excess of chocolate building up at the end of the 2005. The new UK computer system is part of a 5-year IT transformation project called Probe, aimed at integrating the Cadbury Swift's supply chain, purchasing, manufacturing, distribution, sales, and marketing system on a global SAP-based ERP platform. Cadbury Chew is aiming for the ultimate saving from the Probe project, but its implementation has been far from the smooth. The project was beset by problems and delays when it was first introduced in Australia in 2002. So, what is the benefit of ERP? So, Cadbury was on a fast paced growth and could not continue with the existing system, and the pace was too slow due to added inefficiency. ERP added efficiency and guided the lead all the issues fast paced growth. The second one is your benefit of ERP. The implementation of ERP brought in a new way of warehouse management system and brought in a structure to branch of offices and the depots. So these are some advantage of ERP system. How to ERP implementation failure, we'll see in next section. So thank you. This is all about this session. In next lecture we will see how ERP implementation has been failure. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you, class.